Combine the agave nectar and water in a saucepan over medium heat. Warm, stirring often until the agave and water are combined. Next up, the rim blend. On a small plate, mix together ground cinnamon, coconut sugar, and sea salt. Use the lime wedge to moisten the rim of a cocktail glass. Turn the glass upside down and at a 45-degree angle, roll the moist rim in the sugar, salt, and cinnamon mixture. It's margarita time! Fill your cocktail shaker with ice. Add the tequila, apple juice or cider, lime juice, agave simple syrup, and a dash of cinnamon. Shake vigorously. Carefully fill the glass with ice without knocking off the rim blend. Then strain the margarita into your prepared glass. Garnish your drink with a thin slice of apple and a star of anise